Welcome to BOT 1313 Applied Business Math. My name is Ms. Horn and I'm your instructor. I just wanted to do a quick video to welcome you to the class and give you an overview of the course. So when you go into the course, this is the home page. This has my contact information, your textbook information. After I make this video, that will be under the welcome video. And each week I will post the weekly announcements with what is due for the week and the due dates. Also, you'll notice that your proctored exam dates are posted here. I highly encourage you to go ahead. You have 2 proctor tests, and go ahead and schedule those proctor tests in Smarter Proctoring. And that is over here to the left. Go ahead and click on that and schedule those exams. You'll have 2 of those, and make sure you keep, when you schedule it, write down your appointment dates so you will remember those. Once you view the home page, you can click Start, and it will take you to Canvas modules, and you'll complete your online orientation module. Now, you also have to do this before you can access any other modules, but the important course information module has everything that you need. I will emphasize that you should read your course syllabus very carefully and print your course calendar, because this has all of your due dates and you can keep up with everything here. It's very detailed. You also have some policies, notification settings in Canvas. Make sure you look at this, and I would say make sure you set your due dates to daily and your announcements and messages to as soon as possible. You can click down here and it will give you detailed instructions. And quickly I will talk about your modules. So once you are, the first week you're going to do an introduction discussion and get familiar with Webassign next week, so you can start working on your homework in Webassign. Now, the way that I have this set up is you have your notes up here, and then there are videos of the PowerPoint lectures, and I'll probably make additional videos. But you'll watch the videos, and this is like being in class. So you go to class, your instructor goes over the material, and then you practice the material, the content with homework, and then you have a quiz so I can see that you're understanding the material. And then these 2 are in Webassign, and then you have a review quiz each week, and you can have any review sheets, PowerPoints, and book to take that review quiz. And I am still putting in Quizlets, so hopefully that will help you too. So that's kind of how your chapters are set up. Let me just show you what Webassign looks like real quick. Actually, it probably won't let me open it because the course is not open yet. But if you click on the homework and click on load, it's going to load your content for you. So you're going to access this Webassign through Canvas. Okay, and of course, this is what it looks like. It says the assignment cannot be loaded, but once the course starts, you will be able to view those assignments. Okay, so that is a quick overview. If you have any questions, here's my contact information, and this phone number is my Google Voice phone number, so you can text me on there as well. Okay, so I'm looking forward to a great semester, and I hope you have a great first week.